On March 19, 2025, the FDA granted traditional approval to Pembrolizumab, marketed as Keytruda by Merck, for a critical new indication in gastric and gastroesophageal cancers. Let's dive into what this means for your practice and research. This approval targets adults with locally advanced, unresectable, or metastatic HER2-positive gastric or GEJ adenocarcinoma, specifically those with tumors expressing PD-L1 at a combined positive score, or CPS, of 1 or greater. Pembrolizumab is now approved as a first-line therapy in combination with Trastuzumab and fluoropyrimidine and platinum-containing chemotherapy. Some of you may recall that Pembrolizumab received accelerated approval for this indication back on May 5, 2021, based on interim data. This latest milestone reflects full confirmation of its efficacy and safety, solidifying its role in the treatment landscape. The evidence comes from KEYNOTE-811, a multi-center, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial with 698 patients. Of these, 85%, or 594 patients, had PD-L1 positive tumors with a CPS of 1 or higher, confirmed using the PD-L1 IHC22C3 PharmDx kit. Patients received either Pembrolizumab at 200 milligrams or placebo, alongside Trastuzumab and a choice of fluorouracil plus cisplatin or capecitabine plus oxaliplatin. The results? Significant improvements in both progression-free survival and overall survival. For patients with PD-L1 CPS of 1 or greater, median PFS reached 10.9 months with Pembrolizumab, compared to 7.3 months with placebo, a hazard ratio of 0.72. Median OS was 20.1 months versus 15.7 months with a hazard ratio of 0.79. The overall response rate climbed to 73% versus 58%, and median duration of response extended to 11.3 months compared to 9.6 months. Safety-wise, the adverse reaction profile aligned with what we already know about Pembrolizumab. No surprises there. This consistency supports its integration into clinical workflows. For your patients, the recommended dose is straightforward: 200 milligrams every 3 weeks or 400 milligrams every 6 weeks, paired with Trastuzumab and chemotherapy. Full prescribing details are available on Drugs at FDA. This approval marks a pivotal step forward for first-line treatment of HER2-positive gastric and GEJ adenocarcinomas. For oncologists, nurses, and researchers, it's an opportunity to refine care strategies and explore further applications of PD-L1 targeted therapies. Subscribe here and go to oncologytube.com for more cancer research news like this.